Joining us now is our attorney, Larry Walters, who's going to answer the two big questions we have about texting while talking and walking. Let me ask you this. Okay, I know about distracted driving. That makes sense. You're driving around a 3,000-pound vehicle. That's a weapon. But distracted pedestrians, they're just a danger to themselves, right? And if that's true, can government really legislate our personal safety like that?
You know, this all comes down to how much of our privacy and autonomy do we want to sacrifice to the government. If people are stupid enough to injure themselves while walking and texting, then they really should be free to do so. There are all kinds of things we could regulate potentially to keep us safer and safer, and then we live in a nice, safe, and not free society. They have those in places like China and Russia. This is the United States of America. We should be free to make mistakes and be stupid, and unless there's a compelling reason for the government to get involved, they should kind of stay out of it.
And moreover, what would we have to put onto YouTube, by the way?
This is true.
Let me ask you this. Isn't this one person's clumsiness now infringing on my personal freedom, even my freedom, as you say, to put myself in harm's way, at risk, fall in fountains if I will?
That's what happens when you have individuals that make mistakes that the rest of us have to pay for. Fortunately, in the state of Florida, we have a very strong right of privacy, and we have the right to be let alone, as it says in our Constitution. So a law like this probably wouldn't succeed in the state of Florida. I suppose there are some other states that'll toy with it until perhaps they get struck down by the courts, but this is something we're going to have to deal with because there are people who make bad decisions, and the rest of us have to pay for it.
We all have the God-given right to fall in a fountain if we choose to. Larry Walters. Larry, good to have you here. Thank you, sir.
Nice to be here.